Hello, my friends. I mean you. Yes, you.
Data of every description will pervade our consciousness. Holograms projected beneath our eyelids.
Welcome to the DCC Museum.
Hi and welcome back to the museum. Today is most likely the last video we shoot at the old location in Redondo Beach. Almost all equipment is now moved to Cathedral City, but this package today still arrived here in Redondo Beach, and we're so excited to share this with you because it has several items that came in. Two of them are new in boxes DCC 951s, and one of them is still sealed, so we want to share the unboxing experience with you. Okay, here is one. This one has never been opened. No, actually it's this one. This one has the original seal. This one seems to have been opened once. So here we go. So, original manual. Remote still sealed. Connection cable 220 volts, digital and analog cables. And of course, the manual. And even the sealed Philips batteries. So here we have it on the bench. Looks mint, although used. It was claimed like that by the owner. He bought two. One of them he used regularly and the other one he left sealed since 1995. It was a backup that he never used. We will not open that one. That will go on display like we have many other players on the first, second and third generation unopened. We will leave them unrestored like that. This one will be restored. It will receive new pinch rollers and new belts. And let me tell you a little bit why we like the third generation DCC Player 730 or this one 951. It is my favorite. They are really rock solid. Minor issues other than belts and pinch rollers, you don't see too many problems with them. And if we play tapes on them, they handle them beautifully. Let me give you an example. Of course, you have the regular DCC tapes that perform really well on this third generation 18-bit player, but we also have many prototypes, and the prototypes have the original analog felt pad. That means that the very first prototypes they didn't come up with the original felt pad, they still use the regular analog felt pad. These tapes are very unstable in any machine other than this, and this proves to us that this machine, if you want to buy a DCC player and you want to get a hold of one, maybe this is the one for you. We're going to do this restoration as shown in previous videos, but in the meantime, hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.